so this is what the error looks like. So there you go. You have the latest drivers for your graphics card. So yeah. Hey, what's up everyone? This is Hogside, and welcome back to my video. It's been a while since my last video. But anyways, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix your GeForce Experience driver. When you're trying to install it, there's an error popping up that prevents you from like installing the driver. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. First thing, just open up your GeForce Experience application, and then go to the drivers and click on either the custom installation or express installation. So I'm just gonna do the normal express installation just to show you guys what it looks like. It's gonna make you wait on this page. I don't know how long it takes. It took me like, I don't know, 20 minutes yesterday just to get the error, but this thing is basically preparing for the installation. Okay, so while we're waiting, I'm going to show you guys what we're going to do. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to forget about the GeForce Experience update here, but instead we're going to go to the GeForce website and manually install the update so that we can install our drivers, the new latest drivers. So to do that, open up your web browser. In this case, I'm using my Chrome. So type in nVidia and search up your video card with driver download. So if you want to find out your graphics card, you can go to your the Windows icon right here, right click on it, and then go down to device manager, click on it. Yeah, so it's gonna open up your drivers. So go to the display adapters right here, and then here it is. This is your graphics card. So I have the nVidia GeForce GTX 1060 with max Q design. So that would be my driver. So I need to find that online and download it. I already went to the website, so you click on that, and then right here, click on the drivers. Here, this is where you need to like enter your driver's information. So mine is a GeForce 1060, so 10, right? So 10 series. It's a notebook because it's a laptop. If you guys have like a desktop, then click on the 10 series, but mine is a laptop, so I'm gonna choose notebooks. And then right here, choose 1060, whatever you guys have. If you guys have the 1080, 1070, whatever, make sure to choose the right one for you. And then right here, it's pretty important right here. I saw like a friend's GeForce which was installed on 32-bit instead of 64, and his computer is 64-bit. So how do you find out if you have 64 or 32? You go to here, click on the Windows icon, and then open up your control panel. You can search it up. Control panel. Yep, it's right here. Open that thing up, and then go to System and Security. System. And here it is. You guys will be able to see it. It says right here 64-bit operating system. If it says 32, make sure to choose 32 here, but mine says 64, so Windows 10 64. If you have Windows 7 or whatever, you guys can choose like other OS version. Yeah, so English, I can read only English, so I'm gonna choose English. This is, you do not need to worry about that, just have it as all, and start search. So it's gonna start searching for the latest drivers on the website, so it shouldn't take that long. And then this is the latest one. As you can see, release date Wednesday, May 27th, 2020. This is April, so choose the latest one. Just click on it, and then it's gonna bring you to the download site. So you just click on the download icon right here, download now, and then yeah, you guys can just click on save, and then it's gonna start downloading. But in this case, since I already downloaded it, just for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna move on. So for you guys, make sure to wait for the download to complete, but for mine, since I've already downloaded it, I'm gonna exit out of the browser. So still waiting for the installation to go through so that I can show you guys the error, but it's gonna take a while. So I'm just gonna pause the video for now, and then once the error pops up. I'm gonna proceed and show you guys what it looks like. Okay guys, this is done. So this is what the error looks like, and sorry about the background noise. It's my AC, so cannot really turn it off or else I'd be hot to death. So anyway, here this is the error message. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to just close, you can close it out and then close out the GeForce Experience panel, and then now go to your download after you downloaded the file. So this is the software to download. So just double click on it, just click on yes, click on OK, and just wait for it to go through. Shouldn't take long. So from here, you can agree to both of those. Here, either choose a custom or express. So I'm just gonna choose express, and also it is recommended. So yep, just click on next, and then it's gonna show up the same screen. In this case, just wait for it. So here you go. It goes through. Now it is removing files, previous files, so that you can download the new files or driver. So yeah, here it is. Also, I don't remember, your screen's gonna like turn off at some point and then turn back on because of the update. Don't worry about that. That is completely normal. Okay guys, looks like it is done. So it's gonna ask you to restart your computers. You can do it now or you can do it later. It's up to you. But if you want to start seeing change, restart now would be the option. So it's gonna restart it. Okay, so now I'm back to my desktop. So I'm gonna open up the GeForce Experience and check it out. It should be updated. So there you go. So GeForce Game Ready Driver version 44.14 release date. There you go. So you have the latest drivers for your graphics card. So yeah, I hope this video helps you guys. Make sure to like if it works for you. Make sure to subscribe for more video in the future. If you guys have any questions, any problems, just comment down in below. I'm gonna try to reply to you guys. Thanks for watching guys. Peace out.